4 years, we've had the ultra-portable Mini and the powerful Prosumer Air. But what if you could have the best of both? The portability that slips into your pocket, with the performance that rivals a professional setup? For months, industry insiders have been buzzing about a secret project, the DJI Neo 2. If you're here, you demand a drone that doesn't compromise. You want cinematic quality without the backpack weight. You want power without needing registration. And I'm going to reveal the speculative specs and the one revolutionary feature that would make the Neo 2 the single greatest travel drone ever built. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This feature changes everything you know about drone batteries and flight time. Stay with me, because that crucial reveal is coming in the final 10 minutes. Let's talk about the design philosophy of the Neo series. The perfect middle ground. The Mini is tiny, but lacks stability in high winds. The Air is capable, but slightly too heavy. The Neo 2, according to compelling concept leaks, sits right in the sweet spot. A foldable drone with a takeoff weight optimized right at 250 grams. Yes, registration-free in the US, but with the size and heft of a larger drone when unfolded. How do they do it? The rumored design involves a carbon fiber reinforced chassis and a radically streamlined hinge mechanism. Imagine the airframe itself being part of the cooling system, allowing for a larger battery cell without adding significant overall weight. The aesthetics are sleek, minimal, and aggressive, a true performance machine disguised as a travel buddy. This is the first drone you'll always pack, not just sometimes. The structural difference is the advanced wind resistance rating. We expect it to handle level 7 winds, something previously reserved for the bulky Pro series. For the traveler flying over coastal cliffs or mountain passes, this stability is not just a feature, it's a flight assurance policy. This is where the Neo 2 concept earns its prosumer label. The biggest weakness of the Mini series is the sensor size. The Air series has great optics, but they're constrained by weight. The Neo 2 rumors center on a massive leap, a redesigned 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor with an exceptionally wide f/1.8 aperture. This is the largest sensor possible while keeping the weight close to that magic 250-gram mark, and that wide aperture means stunning low-light performance and that creamy cinematic depth of field that makes your shots look professional. We're expecting 4K video recording at a buttery-smooth 60 frames per second, possibly even 10-bit D-Log-M right out of the box. Think about that. Hollywood-grade color grading latitude from a drone that fits in your jacket pocket. The dynamic range is rumored to leverage the latest computational photography techniques, giving you images that balance extreme shadows and highlights in a way that simply hasn't been done in this weight class before. This is the democratization of high-end aerial imaging. A powerful camera needs reliable flight. The Neo 2 will undoubtedly utilize DJI's O4 transmission system. This isn't just a slight improvement. This is a guaranteed 15 kilometers, 9.3 miles, range in optimal conditions and, crucially, rock-solid signal integrity in urban areas, reducing the risk of video lag and signal dropouts. For U.S. pilots flying in crowded city parks or busy tourist spots, that reliability is key to a stress-free flight. And let's talk about intelligent flight modes. The Neo 2 is expected to debut an advanced Active Track 6.0. This system uses a next-generation